Hi everyone, you're on the Kamilla channel, and today I'm going to sculpt Lily Love Braids from the Buggy Huggy channel. I've already made her original version and talked about her in my earlier videos, so I won't go over it again. If you want to see it, feel free to check out my sculpt of the original Lily from Poppy Playtime Chapter 5 on the Kamilla channel. Let me keep it short. Originally, Lily was a cute doll with a porcelain body, big eyes, and bright purple hair styled into braids. But the key detail is that her hair wasn't just decoration, it was her defining feature, one that would later turn her into something far more terrifying. After the experiment, everything changed. According to the story version by the creator of the Buggy Huggy channel, it was the prototype who performed a horrifying experiment on Lily. He finds her already broken and damaged somewhere in the dark corridors of the Playtime factory, like a discarded, forgotten toy. He drags her into an old experiment room and quite literally rebuilds her from scratch. Her torn-off arms disappear, replaced by long, thick strands of hair, but without hands, like endless living tendrils. Her legs stop being legs as well, transformed into heavy, dense extensions that crawl along the floor, twisting as if they have a life of their own. Her porcelain face cracks, and those cracks begin to fill with hair from the inside as if it's growing beneath the surface. It makes her appearance even more disturbing, like she's breaking apart while being overtaken by something unnatural. After the experiment, Lily begins to glow in the dark, and her movements become completely unnatural. She no longer walks. She moves using her long braids like a spider. Her body almost floats in the air, while her hair, like legs, slowly and eerily steps across the surface, carrying her forward. Why does she resemble a spider? Simple. Her 3 braids act like separate limbs. They can stretch, grab, strangle, and hold onto their prey. At the ends of the braids are claw-like shapes similar to legs. In motion, she becomes a spider-like creature that surrounds its victim from all sides. When Lily gets angry, her eyes widen, turning wild, and her smile becomes terrifying. In the darkness, her eyes and teeth glow green while her hair emits a neon purple light, making it clear that she's no longer just a toy, but a true monster. So, here's my creepy and unique Lily Love Braids figure. Tell me in the comments, who's your favorite character from the Buggy Huggy world? And who should I create next? Make sure to drop a like and support the channel. It really inspires me to keep creating.